Hello, hi, assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fathurrahman bin RUSTAM. My number is DE190162. I'm from group A4.2, which is from the section 4. Okay, I represent of our group to explain about the design and simulation of voltage source inverter with 120 and 180 degree conduction mode by using the MATLAB simulating. Okay, as we can see on the lab sheet is we will do the configuration of voltage source inverter as figure. Okay, so now this is our point for the simulation, which is we need to do two type of circuit, two set of circuit, which is the first one is for the firing sequence for 180 conduction mode, and then the second is firing sequence for 120 degrees conduction mode. Okay, so the circuit we will construct firstly as the model by using the MATLAB simulating as the figure, which is we contain the several components, which is for the MATLAB simulating, MOSFET, the DC voltage source, voltage measurement, current measurement for the line to line voltage, and then the scope for the display the waveform, and then the pulse generator for the supply, okay, for the switching pulse, and then the capacitor and power give for the discrete. Okay, so now we open the MATLAB simulating. Okay, the first one, which is this is for the 180 degrees simulation of this circuit. Okay, firstly, I show the setting. Okay, this is the S1 and S2 until S6 is for the switching signal, which is we give the step. Okay, we will set at the phase delay, which is for T2. Okay, this S1 for T1, we set the 0 second for phase delay, and then for the T2 we set the 1.6 exponent negative 5, okay, for the T2, and then for the T3 is 3.33 exponent negative 5, which is for the one as the shown, and the lab sheet is, okay, we will construct the step from T1 until T6, which is for the 0 degrees, 60 degrees, 120, 180, 240 until 300, which is T6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, for the T4 is 0.0005 phase delay seconds. Okay, and then for the T5 is 6.66 exponent power of negative 5. Okay, the last one for the T6, which is for the 300 degrees. Phase delay is set to 8.33 exponent power of negative 5. Okay, so we will run the circuit for the 180 degree first. Okay. For the 180 degrees, we set the pulse width for the 50. Okay, that is different with the 120. 120 here, we set at 33.33 the pulse of the period percentage. Okay, so now I will show the first scope. Okay, we contains the three type of scope, which is the first one is switching signal. Okay, this is the result for the S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. Okay, this waveform is shown that step. Okay, next we show the line to line voltage. Okay, okay, the first one is for the VAB, VBC, and then the last one, the third one is the VCA. Okay, for the line to line voltage. Okay, next scope is for phase voltage. Okay, this is the result of waveform for the step voltage, phase voltage. which is the first one is VAN, VBN, and VCN. VC neutral to neutral. Okay, that's for the 180 degrees. Okay, so now I will show the set for the 120 degrees. I show in the figure is for the next firing sequence, 120 degrees conduction mode. Okay. Okay, the setting is also from step is switching from the T1 until T6, which is for from the 0 degrees, the 0 degrees until 300 degrees. Okay. The phase delay 0. We only change the pulse width with 33.333 for the 120 conduction mode. Okay. The labeling we also change to can run in the same time as 180 for the labeling only. Okay, so the first one I will show the switching signal. Okay, this is for T1, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, and S6. Okay, for the switching signal scope. Next one is line to line voltage. Okay, this is for VAB, VBC, and VCA, line to line. We will go to A, return to A. Okay, next I will show the phase voltage. Okay, phase voltage if is start from VAN, VBN, and VCN. It will connect to neutral. Okay, this is a connection of the circuit. We add the labeling 1 for the next labeling to different with the 180 degrees conduction mode. Okay. Okay, for the sample time, we will set the simulation type for discrete, and the sample time is pi exponent -8. Okay. Okay, that's done for the waveform 180 conduction mode and 120 conduction mode. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.